Cats are full of surprises. One moment they're calmly grooming themselves, the next they're chasing shadows across the room, and then suddenly you notice something unusual, a bit of drool dripping from their mouth. For many cat owners, this can be alarming. We often associate drooling with dogs, but when it comes to cats, it raises questions. Why is my cat drooling? Is it harmless, or is it a sign of something serious? The truth is, drooling in cats can have many different meanings. Sometimes it's completely normal, while in other cases, it may point to an underlying health issue that needs attention. To truly understand what's happening, we need to look at the many causes behind feline drooling, how to spot warning signs, and what solutions can help your furry friend feel better. First, let's start with the harmless reasons. Believe it or not, some cats drool when they are extremely relaxed and happy. If you've ever been petting your cat while they're purring loudly, you might notice a bit of saliva forming at the corners of their mouth. This is similar to a person who feels so cozy and sleepy that they drool on their pillow. It's simply a physical response to comfort and contentment. In these cases, drooling is not a problem, it's just another way your cat expresses happiness. But drooling doesn't always happen because your cat is relaxed. Sometimes it's a reaction to something strange in their mouth. For instance, cats may drool if they taste or smell something unusual, such as strong medicines, cleaning products, or even a new type of food. This kind of drooling usually passes quickly once the taste is gone. However, if drooling continues, it could signal irritation, injury, or infection inside the mouth. Dental problems are one of the most common causes of persistent drooling in cats. Issues like gum disease, tooth decay, or painful mouth ulcers can make it difficult for cats to swallow normally, leading to excess saliva. If your cat's breath smells bad, they paw at their mouth, or you notice them avoiding dry food, it could be a sign of dental disease. Left untreated, these problems can get worse and cause serious discomfort. Another possible cause is nausea. Just like humans, cats may drool when they feel queasy. This can happen due to an upset stomach, motion sickness from car rides, or even internal problems like liver or kidney disease. In these cases, drooling is usually accompanied by other signs such as loss of appetite, vomiting, or lethargy. Paying attention to these patterns helps identify whether your cat's drooling is linked to a bigger health concern. In some situations, drooling may also indicate that something is stuck in your cat's mouth or throat. Cats are curious creatures, and they sometimes chew on strings, plants, or small objects that can get lodged in their teeth or throat. This not only causes drooling but can also be dangerous if the object blocks breathing or swallowing. If your cat is pawing at their mouth, gagging, or showing distress, it's important to seek immediate veterinary help. Respiratory infections are another reason cats might drool. Just like humans catch colds, cats can develop viral or bacterial infections that affect their nose, throat, and mouth. When this happens, drooling often comes along with sneezing, watery eyes, and loss of appetite. Kittens and outdoor cats are especially vulnerable to these infections, and early treatment is essential to prevent complications. Stress and anxiety can also play a role. Some cats drool excessively when they're nervous, like during a vet visit, traveling, or hearing loud noises. This type of drooling usually stops once the stressful situation ends, but it's still worth monitoring if it happens frequently. So, what should cat owners do if their feline starts drooling? The first step is observation. If drooling happens occasionally when your cat is purring and relaxed, there's likely nothing to worry about. But if it's persistent, accompanied by bad breath, loss of appetite, vomiting, or behavior changes, it's time to consult a veterinarian. Only a professional can rule out serious causes and provide the right treatment, whether that's dental care, medication, or managing an underlying illness. At home, you can help by keeping your cat's environment safe and stress-free. Regular dental checkups, proper nutrition, and keeping harmful plants or chemicals out of reach can prevent many drooling-related issues. If your cat gets anxious during travel, talk to your vet about calming solutions to make the journey easier. The most important thing to remember is that drooling itself is not the disease, it's a symptom. Sometimes it means happiness, sometimes it's a warning. As cat owners, our job is to pay attention to these little signals and act quickly when something doesn't seem right. By doing so, we not only protect their health but also deepen the bond of trust we share with them. So the next time you see your cat drooling, don't panic right away. Look at the bigger picture. Are they relaxed and purring? Or do they seem uncomfortable and restless? These small clues will guide you toward the answer. And with the right care and awareness, you can ensure your cat stays healthy, safe, and happy for many years to come.